Setting up a professional lightbox counter shouldn't be complicated. Let's build your FramePlus Lightbox Counter in minutes. First, grab your base plates. See those slots? They just slide onto the first vertical frame pieces. Like this. Now for the frame, our lightweight, quality tubes are numbered for easy assembly. Match the numbers, say, 1 to 1 and connect. Do the same for the rest. Don't forget to connect the power cable. Next, attach the tabletop frame section right onto the top poles. Ensure all the frame connectors are secure. That's it. A sturdy and professional counter table finished. Okay, time for power. Go through the cord through the small hole at one side of the bottom and connect it to light bar. And the last, SEG fabric graphic. Find the silicone edge and simply tuck it into the channel around the frame. It's better to start from the corners. Okay, light it up now. Look! Very nice counter.